At Vintage Tub & Bath, our steam showers come with all the features you need to enjoy a relaxing and rejuvenating experience. Whether you're looking for a luxurious way to unwind after a long day, or need a steam shower to help relieve muscle pain and tension, we have the perfect option. The Steam Shower by Randolph Morris features a slip-resistant circle pattern that provides additional safety and resists mold and mildew. The integral drain offers easy installation and fits standard-size plumbing. Our steam showers feature a swing door with tight magnetic closure and a C-pull handle. The durable solid surface material is easy to clean and virtually maintenance-free. A steam shower can offer a variety of benefits for both your mind and body. The humid, warm environment can help to loosen muscles, ease soreness, and improve circulation. Steam showers provide a meditative space, putting your mind at ease by increasing endorphins and improving mental health. If you're ready to take your bathroom to the next level, browse our selection of steam showers at vintagetub.com and find the perfect one for your home today.